Welcome to Earth, the round ball floating in space on which we live. Have you ever thought about what if the world was a desert? Well, in this video, you can find out how that could happen and which role globalization is playing and how it could help prevent this potentially not so distant future. Why should I learn about global issues? A very big reason that one should learn about global issues is so that one can make changes around his or her life based around these issues. For example, taking the paper bag instead of the plastic bag, driving an electric car instead of a diesel car, and in order to inform others about these issues. Now, back to the desert. Global warming is the gradual increase in the overall temperature of the Earth's atmosphere due to greenhouse gases produced by factories, cars, planes, etc. One of the bigger effects of global warming that is very often shown in the media is that the polar ice caps are melting, meaning more floods and storms in several countries. Other effects of global warming could mean droughts in various countries, or something that will affect you and me, crops drying out, meaning less food for everyone. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, what does this have to do with globalization? Well, greenhouse gases are produced by almost all modes of transport. That means trade ships, planes, and even cars. And even if you don't travel a lot of the food that is sold in supermarkets comes from other countries. That means it has to travel a long distance in a trade ship or a plane. This distance is called food miles, the distance your food travels in order to reach your corner store. But globalization isn't just a bad thing. Globalization could also help climate change by spreading information about climate change. You can inform people of the problem and tell them what they should and shouldn't do in order to help. And through globalization, you could also trade electric cars to stop the pollution or solar panels to make more clean power. While globalization has contributed considerably to climate change in the past, the virtues of international trade have enabled climate-conscious individuals across the world to collaborate on the most daunting challenge that our world faces. As Barack Obama said on the topic, climate change is no longer some far-off problem. It is happening here, it is happening now.